Today's Thursday, February 17th. This is 1967 to 1970 Cadillac Eldorado. That is the E1 Eldorado, the first of the front-wheel drive Eldorados. And these are the front rubber fillers that facilitate the closing of the gap between the front bumper ends and the stamped sheet metal steel front fenders. Okay, so we have this long-running leg which goes straight vertical and fills in the gap attaching to the front sheet metal steel fender panel, and then the V-shaped trajectory which goes on the bottom of the 67 front nose filler or the 68 through 70 turn signal marker lights. So the filler basically folds like this, and facilitating a composite trajectory that includes both the V-shape for the top front nose, which, as I said, is either the filler in 67 or the turn signal light in 68 through 70, and then the straight leg that goes in between the bumper end and the steel sheet metal front fender. Okay, so this is George in Florida. I'll be shipping these out to my friend Paul in California. Today is February 17th. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados, over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Thursday, February 17th. Thank you very kindly.